was no against the floating of shares.
Sure. I say no ntia nam zuma say you are to gwini ne nkasa.
Asem we dey ne kan be den.
So say.
Sir Hearts Attakora nipa wa be pagya House of Folk ni bia e kasa. Or the necessity the boss House of Folk again Champions League. Or the necessity the boss House of Folk again Super Cup. Until when the enemy gonna say House of Folk best memories during Hearts Attakora time. Union and House of Folk epesa omudru sa level no oma pem so omutimi ndru ho no because nipa odi omo edu sa stage no Union
Attakora vini ane trama mandred to aso
ready
so me ma update na
to aso but Attakora to help you or say satam or say na on foaso satam hantu anya emphatic say ne yana say the question or say satam
etie ni nsem ni.
You know, I hold Togbe and brought him to House of. You know, Togbe used to have his office next to us. You know where Kufuor House is building. You know, one day he came and he said he wanted an office, and I took him to the late George Kufuor. They gave him one of the
President's brother,
SAS or something.
Yes.
We became good friends. He went Arsenal. Every afternoon when they play the European League, he comes to me, we go to my flat, we watch the match with other friends, you know what I mean? Then one day I asked him, do you want to join House of Folk? He said, yes, I would love to, because he was a House supporter. He said, yes. I said, no problem. I would raise it in the board meeting. I raised it after I was there, and Commodore Itimensa, some of the few directors were there, you know what I mean? And we gave him to come and join the board, not of directors. And one day, he said, why are we not flowing chairs? And I was against the floating chairs. I have left. I was against the floating chairs. The club belongs to the guns. Like, how could you go to Ashati Kotoko and take the club from them? You know, if you were a guy, it's a different story. But we don't want to go there too far. You know what I mean? My mind was different. But he's now holding the club like his own property. And he's done a lot. Maybe I was wrong. We don't even talk. He doesn't talk to me. I don't know. Because I use that word, I'm against the floating chairs. You know, we are good friends. We used to be good. We go out, we eat together, we drink together, we do everything together. From the time he took over the club, he cut me off.
I was against floating of shares. So it just said the decision to float shares no enforce. But as of now, had it not been Togbe, to say the all can team no. But again, I say, even if you don't support the idea, now the business associated to float sharing, I think these two brains, Togbe Afede or Hinekpon, and Hearts Attakora, again, Nyame Buana Omumienu Omusmoku peace pipe.
They don't talk.
Because again, say I was say Obi an idea of running House of Folk. Hearts Attakora is the best person, and I'm a boy.
Yeah, sure.
Say Mimi Ojuba, your fan say we're free hospital away. Or could different hospital, not Makoha. Why the first point of contact?
On our friend say be on mobile.
So I could say
for you as
so I could say Eugene, I could say because of one or two things in tea, me fair excessive between my media or no. I don't sima.
Okay.
And Untina, who say, has me ears Bamako bit me a call. Aquacusia. Not ears Bamako, he has a film.
Medase.
David, what I say. But Satam Hearts Attakora. Hey, as far as the tune is by you.
And your eyes are so much.
As do so much though. But that has a fearful. Only never bow young to show.
Mate, Medase.
Benny, House Africa. Now only JS Saura ever boy. Now has the decision. Go yes, and JS Saura uniform.
Mate, Medase.